Hello everyone, and welcome to Sketchflow AI. Today, I'll walk you through what Sketchflow AI is, how it works under the hood, and give you a sneak peek at what's coming next. If you ever wanted to turn an idea for a website or app into reality faster and with less effort, you'll find this video exciting. Let's begin with what Sketchflow AI really is and how it can dramatically accelerate your journey from idea to product. Right now, Sketchflow AI helps users create high-fidelity design for software products, whether it's a website, desktop application, or a mobile app. Here's how Sketchflow AI works step by step. First, you describe what you want to build. Then, Sketchflow AI analyzes the idea and generates a visual workflow which you can review and refine. Once you're happy with the workflow, the system generates high-fidelity designs for every page, and very soon, Sketchflow AI will take the next leap, generating runnable code for web, Android, and iOS. Let's take a look at a real example of working with Sketchflow. Here is the Sketchflow AI webpage. You can create a design through a prompt or by inserting images. For example, let's say I want to create an educational website for kids to learn science through interactive quizzes and videos. I would type my request in, and Sketchflow AI will take over the rest. While that is generating, let's come back and explain the core philosophy behind Sketchflow AI. You direct, AI generates, and you validate. Begin by setting the direction, describing your product, and what you want it to be, whether it's a mobile app, desktop tool, or website. Sketchflow AI then takes over the heavy lifting, generating workflows, producing high-fidelity designs, and soon even runnable code. Once the AI has created the output, you step back in to review, refine, and guide the results to match your vision. In this way, you remain in control of the creative process, while AI saves you countless hours and accelerates the entire product journey. Next, let's take a brief look behind the scenes at the technology powering Sketchflow AI. Since AI is such a hot topic today, we believe the solutions we developed may even inspire ideas for your own projects. So in this section, we'll share a glimpse at the technological foundations that make Sketchflow AI possible. The first detail we will cover is how we generate workflows. Generating accurate workflows is difficult, and because of this difficulty, LLMs can miss steps, especially for complex or niche systems. To solve this, we researched and analyzed over 5,000 real apps and websites, evaluated workflows, and built a knowledge database. This database is pre-built and used in every Sketchflow AI project. When you describe your idea, our system will detect, utilize workflows from similar ideas to create a comprehensive experience. With this extra knowledge, the model can produce more consistent results, a technique generally known as Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG. Going back to the demo, we can see that the Sketchflow AI has completed the first step, which is generating a workflow. As you can see, it is a very complete design. This workflow can also be edited and tweaked to match your own needs. Once you are done reviewing and ready to create the actual website, you can select Generate All Screens or only select the individual screens that you want to generate. And then click Generate Interface. It will then ask you to choose a style, and then you can also insert your custom style descriptions. Now it will start generating the high-fidelity designs for each web page. While this is generating, let's go back and discuss the second technical detail we will cover, which is how to keep an app's design consistent across all its pages. By default, large language models tend to generate design one page at a time, which often leads to inconsistencies. Here we see some examples of inconsistent generation in the navigation bar. To solve this problem, Sketchflow AI first analyzes the application to identify common components and builds a shared component library. It then maps out dependencies between pages, generating the library first and using it as foundation. Dependent pages are created in sequence, while unrelated pages can be created in parallel. When producing each page, the system references both the library and related pages to ensure every design element stays consistent. This structured approach makes the final product feel more cohesive and professional, rather than a collection of disconnected screens. With this approach, you will no longer have inconsistent navigation bars with other components that will make your website feel unprofessional. Let's head back to the demo to see what Sketchflow AI has created for us today. In the background, you may see that there's a grayed out space with a big title, Children Engaged in Science, behind it. This represents a picture that has yet to be generated. What Sketchflow AI does is first it generates a design, and it waits for your confirmation for it to generate the graphics and images. For example, if you want to generate the image behind for the landing site, you can generate an image for the current picture. Using our AI system, we can both utilize online sources and recreate our own custom images to create the perfect picture that fits well with your site. If there is something that you feel like can be edited or changed, you can also edit the description or tell it how to regenerate to better fit your needs. After my edit, you see that it recreated the page with the same design, but incorporated my new requests. You can also go into the exact composition of the page and move things around. For now, let's let Sketchflow provide pictures for all of the pages at once. You can see that all the pages that have images in them will have started to create the perfect image for that one page. Looks like Sketchflow AI has finished generating all of the images. And right now, you can preview the working website with all of the links working. To validate and check that your user experience matches what you imagine. Finally, let's talk about what's coming next to Sketchflow AI. Right now, Sketchflow AI generates high-fidelity design, but in the next release, it will also generate runnable source code for the whole application. If you want to build a mobile application on Android or iOS, Sketchflow AI will generate the native code so that it can run on a real device or demo in an online simulator. If you are making a website, the website will be created and can be hosted on Sketchflow AI servers. The source code can also be downloaded for further adjustment and to be deployed in your own environments. Be on the lookout for this, it is coming soon. We will make another video to show you the new features and talk about some more technical details after the release. Thank you for watching this demonstration. Please go to our website to explore other offerings and follow our channel. We will continue to build new technologies and share them with you all.